Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's session, we are going to learn how we can extract the email body and interpret that body and save that in a SharePoint list via Power Automate. So for that, I'll be using one shared email box, and I will send out one email to that shared email box in a some specific formatted way so that I can interpret that body in my Power Automate and have that saved in SharePoint list. So I have opened this Exchange Admin Center. If you are admin of this exchange, then you would able to see the shared mailboxes. And for your requirement, if you would like to create the new shared mailbox, then you can do so. But I am going to use my existing shared email box, that is this XMT project. So if I just go to my this Outlook, web Outlook, then I would see that email box. This is my shared mailbox, and this is my SharePoint list where I would be storing the data after interpreting the body. So for demo, I've just created 2 columns, and you can have more based on your requirements. So I'll be just creating the items related to task, which is task title and the assigned to person. And the email body which we are going to use would be formatted in this fashion, where I can just pass on the title and then pipe separated title, actual title, and then assigned to field, and pipe separated actual assigned to person. So this format we are going to use. Now let's jump to Power Automate to create that flow. So I'm using that instant from Cloudflow and skipping that trigger part. So in trigger, I'll be using when an email arrived to my shared mailbox. So you can see there are a lot of triggers. So if you want to map this flow with your personal email address, then you can also do so. But for the demo, and which is more practical as well, I'll be binding with that a shared email box. So whatever mails in that format would be coming to shared email box, then that would get directed to our SharePoint list in a formatted fashion. So I'm choosing this mailbox, and I'll be typing my mailbox name. So it's XMT project, and inbox, because I would be choosing the whenever emails comes to inbox, and I would not be filtering out anything over here right now. So if you want, you can put your filters based on if this should come from some specific address, then you can just filter that out. I'm just leaving that as is. So in the next step, because as you know, the email body is a HTML body, we have to convert that HTML into text first of all, so that we can extract the text out of that body. For that, I'll be using the HTML to text conversion. So I'm using this content conversion, and in the content conversion, I'm using HTML to text conversion as an action. And under the content, I'll be passing the body of this content, the mail ID, which we just got from the previous step. So now in third step, as we got the body, now we have to pass that body and split that out, pipes from it, so that we can get the actual content. So in the next step, I'll be using the compose action, and in compose action, I would be splitting out that entire body, the converted text body, and I'll be splitting out so that I can extract the actual content. So right now I'll just pass on the plain HTML so that I can get the actual field value which we can use then in the expression. So I've just added that, and now you can do peak code so that you can get that field which we'll be using to extract the email. So this just for test, because I want to extract the actual the column name. Now I'm removing it and doing that in expression now. So I'm using split function and passing that the output which we got from a previous tab, and splitting that output based on pipe. So this is the entire expression, that column, the output which we got from previous tab, and then splitting that with pipe. So now With that, I'm just saving it. So before writing into SharePoint list, I would like to show you the output which we are getting from the previous step. So let me just save it and let me give that a name, parse incoming emails. And now I am going back to my mail address, mailbox, and I'll be just throwing one test email to my this shared mail group. And let's say a new task created or arrived. So these emails which we are sending to shared mailbox can also come through any system. For example, if some third-party system is sending emails to your shared mailbox, then those proper formatting should be there so that it can be used or reformatted in Power Automate. So for example, I'm saying title. So title, I'm separating that. So it's a task related development of flow. That's it. This is the task name, and it should be assigned to, and I'm again writing that in pipes, that it should be assigned to myself. So now when I save it, I'll just go to my inbox. So this task, I got this, and I'll just go to my Power Automate just to check whether it ran. Okay, so it ran. I'm just going inside of that flow. So in HTML text, so you can see we got the HTML content, we changed it to plain text, and in Compose you can see we got this array, and which is having first as title. In the second index we have the actual title of that task, and in the third index, fourth index, we got this as assigned to person. So this we are going to use while creating our SharePoint list item. So in next step, I'll be creating create item in SharePoint, and I'll use that project task list. And under that title, I'll be using the output which we got from previous tab. And now you can see I am using the output, but how to extract the array, because the earlier step was array, so we have to extract the index of that array and get the value based on that index. So I have just copied and removing it so that I can copy the actual field value, and under expression I'll be using this output of compose, removing the extra unnecessary stuff, and then using the index for extracting that value. So as we just saw that under the index 1 we'll be getting the title of value of it, and under the index 2 we'll be getting the under the index of 3 we'll be getting the actual assigned to person. So I'm just saving this. So once your flow is saved, let's rerun that. So I'm just going back to my succeeded flow and resubmit it so that it should do all the processing, including the creation of item. So it did run successfully, and I'll be circling back to my list and refreshing it. So now you can see that one item has created with that title as development of flow and assigned to that Krishan Sharma, the person assigned to. So this was the email which we sent out. So in this fashion you can extract the email bodies, and based on your formula, based on your parsing mechanism, you can process that email body and save into SharePoint list. So for separatists, you can you can define your own protocols like extracting the values. So you can use curly braces, you can use double pipes or tilde. So whatever you want to use, you can format. So you have to decide your own logic. So what the body should be containing and how you are going to pass it. So I hope you find this video as useful for you. And that's it for today. Thank you.